You are an author or a publisher in Nigeria, and yet you don't know how to create your profile to always get your ISBN directly from the National Library of Nigeria from the comfort of your home using your phone or your laptop. I've prepared a special guide for you that will help you get this done anytime, any day. It's a step-by-step guide that includes practical videos on how I do this myself and for my clients. In this short guide, you'll be learning how to create barcode for your print books for free. You will also be learning how to go about your legal deposit submission so that your book will be well cataloged with the National Library of Nigeria. This will also help you make subsequent requests for ISBN on the platform. Here are my quick bonuses for the first 25 persons to get this amazing offer this week. I'll be sharing with you my 5-step checklist that I use to create hot-selling digital products like ebooks and video trainings, alongside the strategy I use to ensure that these are not stolen by anyone out there. If you want to be among the special 25 persons to get these bonuses at the amazing discount price today, click the button below and I will see you inside.